Okay, good day everyone. This is going to be a very short video and it's about the task for the evening or for the day. Now, here's the thing I want us to look at features and benefits table again. Of course, as we have discussed earlier in our previous discussions, we've talked about features and benefits which is revolving around your product. And what it means is for you to be able to know that, oh, your product is not just about what you designed or what you have, it's about what your audience needs to do with it, or what they want to do with it, or what they have to do with it. Or you can also look at it as the kind of result your audience are anticipating to have by using your product. Okay, so for you to be able to easily know that, that's where the features and benefits table comes into play. We call it either a feature benefits table, or a so what grid. Okay, so how does this work? It's very simple. Now, as you can see, it's just a table, right? Like you have features, you have benefits, and you also have deeper emotional benefits. Here are the things. Features are what you as a product owner has. Okay, like that is, those are the things that you think or you feel you are doing so that these guys, the audience or your target audience, are going to benefit from that specific activity you are doing. Okay, so like what have on our screen here, right? Let's say this person does web design or web development or what have you, and they have a feature that, oh, all their designs are award winning. Okay, now here is the thing, this is where the so what comes in. If you want to get this thing very easily, you just need to put yourself in the shoes of the audience. So you are looking at this, okay, you are a web designer or you're a web developer, and you do an award, you design or you develop award winning designs. So what? So like, I don't know if you get that. Okay, yes, you do this. So what? How does that benefit me as a target audience? Right? So this means this is one of the benefit that your target audience might have. It means anybody that is going to work with you on this regard, you are going to make them to stand out with a professional whatever they want from you. Okay, aside that, this is them just affiliating with something that is trusted, or something that is doing very well, or something that has a higher perceived value. Okay, now the real what's the name, the real benefit that they are looking out for, that is what's in it for them, okay, is actually the deeper emotional level. Now, look at it. These award winning designs that these guys are doing, right? The main thing that is actually there for them as the audience is they want to look like an expert right from the start. Okay, so if you look at this thing, if you are going to market to anybody who wants, or any startup who wants to have their online assets, right, from the get-go to appear as a professional out there, of course you need to just market to them directly with exactly what they want, because it's logical. If you are a new startup, or you are a business owner, you want to go and open an online activity, believe you me, you are going to really want to start as a professional. You want to have that everything clean, superb, and everything working perfectly well. Okay, so you need to understand that. Next is another example. Let's say you are selling a tennis racket, right, that has that is especially designed for a cross section frame. This is a feature of that, what's the name, of the racket, of the tennis racket. If you don't know tennis racket, this is what I'm talking about, right? So you have a tennis racket that is specially designed like this, right? Now here is the thing. This is the feature we are talking about. But the benefit is it helps these guys, the audience, to enjoy more stability and effortless power. That is the reason why this feature is there. And also the deep emotional benefit, that is the other level of benefit, is it helps them to simply become a better tennis player. Okay, now let me take from some of our examples, right? Like from our own businesses that we have. let's say you that you sell smoked fish, right? And you one of your feature is oven dried. Why do you oven What's the benefit of oven drying it? The benefit of oven drying it is, number one, maybe is because you don't want smoke to be attached to it or sand to be attached to it. Okay? But the deeper emotional benefit for them is the fact that they are going to have the best experience eating fish without having to think about they are going to crush a sand, or they are going to have some ill smell from the fish. Okay? That could be a deeper emotional level that you are connecting with. Okay? And if you're an event planner, right, the one of your feature is, let's say you are time bound, right? You are That is, you deliver on time. Okay? What is that benefit? It can be that your benefit is you never disappoint your client. That is a benefit. So there's no disappointment for them. And the deeper on the what's the name the deeper emotional level for guys like that is they can have their event go smoothly with a peace of mind. Okay, so that is it. Now this is what the what's the name what these features and benefits can do for you. Okay, if you what's the next thing? Once you filled out this grid, right, because you are going to create a grid of your own business, right? You are creating it for your own business. How are you doing it? Of course, you can just tag your you put the title here, you put the title of your business here. Okay, let's say fish smoking, or if you have a business name, features and benefits grid, right? You give us all the features, you give us all the benefits, and you give us the deeper emotional benefit. Of course, if you have an additional benefit, right, you can add another column. If one feature has more than one benefit, start from the most obvious to the hidden, to if there's another hidden one, you can increase them, right? So this is it. This is what it looks like. At the end of it all, you can be able to use these features and benefits to create a very beautiful content about your product, and believe me, it's going to stand out. If you can pause the video and read what this is about. The part you have in blue are the benefits, right? The part you have in red are the features. Look at how beautifully crafted this what's the name this content looks like. From the content is all from about this the tennis rack. Okay, so that's just about it. I'll be expecting to get your assignments. Let's get this done, and I'll be expecting you guys to submit the assignments any moment from maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, which is yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can send it on the group, or you send it to any of our DMs, and believe you me, from there we'll discuss it, and we move to the next activity. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time ahead.